Tired of marketing tools that drain your budget before you even see results? Today, we're diving into Aisensy to see how you can leverage its power without immediately reaching for your wallet. We'll explore the free trial and any potential free plan options they offer. First, head over to the Aisensy website. Look for a clearly marked free trial or get started free button. Usually, it's prominently displayed on the homepage. Click that button and you'll be taken to a registration page. You'll typically need to provide your name, email address, and phone number to create your account. Make sure you use a valid email address, as you'll likely need to verify it. Once you've registered and verified your email, you'll be logged into the Aisensy dashboard. Now, carefully explore the features available during your free trial period. Pay close attention to any limitations mentioned. The free trial usually has restrictions on the number of messages you can send, the number of contacts you can manage, or the specific features you can access. Also check if there is a free plan with limited features. For example, you might be able to test basic WhatsApp automation and chatbot functionalities, but with a limited number of active users. Use this free access wisely. Ask yourself, does this tool actually solve my business's problems? Is it easy to learn and use? Does the potential return on investment justify a paid subscription after the trial? That's it. By carefully exploring the Aisensy free trial or any available free plan, you can determine if it's the right fit for your business without any upfront costs. Don't forget to use the hashtags #Aisensy free trial and #free marketing tools. Good luck.